SurgaColl technologies spun out of the Royal College of Surgeons over the past few years. Based on technologies that were developed in my lab, our lab focuses on developing biomaterials for tissue regeneration. So these are biomaterials that help to restore the function of damaged or degenerated tissues. The really exciting part for us was to try and move the technologies out of the lab so that they could ultimately benefit patients and society. And in order to achieve that, we needed to create a commercial entity that could actually make the products to a standard that they could be approved by regulatory bodies.
So since 2015, actually, the company's gone through a huge number of changes. In 2015, we had just got our first product CE marked approved, which means that we're allowed legally and safely sell it on the market. That's now in 25 Irish patients treating significant issues in bone degeneration, particularly in the maxillofacial area or the head and face regeneration. We have closed quite a significant round of investment and brought in some new private equity investors, which has allowed the company to expand its workforce and really start looking much further down the horizons at the regulatory approval process for our follow-on technology, which we call SurgaColl, a really exciting technology that we've shown can regenerate articular cartilage and offers hope of repair for patients suffering from chronic osteoarthritis.
SurgaColl remains an inspiring example to RCSI researchers of the benefits of research commercialisation. In particular, seeing their technologies translate into meaningful impacts for patients and clinicians, and also being used to create jobs and investment.
The role that the TTO has played in the formation of SurgaColl has been critical, and it's been ongoing. So we were involved in the development of the research from the early stages. We also supported the intellectual property protection. We negotiated the license agreements with the company, but it doesn't just stop there.
So this relationship is very important for us because it gives us insights into the real-world challenges facing the commercialisation of medical devices. This knowledge and learning that we've developed over the years through our relationship with SurgaColl, we translate back into our own commercialisation pipeline. It's used to streamline and rationalise our own pipeline and helping us bring forward higher quality opportunities in the future.